Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Singapore's balance of payments can be tricky, but we will solve this fast. We need to find which specific transaction creates a surplus in the financial account. The capital and financial account tracks the flow of money for investments and assets. To move toward a surplus, we need more money flowing into Singapore than flowing out today. A surplus happens when foreign residents buy local assets like stocks or bonds. This creates a credit in the account because capital is entering the country from an external source. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush.